Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can loop a section in Reaper. So, to loop a specific part of your project in Reaper, you need to create a time selection and enable transport repeat. Alright, so first we will create a time selection. Alright, click and drag your mouse along the timeline ruler at the top of the screen. The area will highlight, so let's go like that. As you can see, now it's highlighted. The arrangement method will be simply click and drag on in empty area of the track view if your settings allows. And if we select Ctrl and left click on the mouse, as you can see now, yeah, and drag over where you want to loop. All right. So now press R on your keyboard. So as you can see here, at the left side, toggle repeat is on or off. R on your keyboard is just a shortcut, as you can see. So yeah, this is also the button which will toggle repeat. Okay, if you want a specific drum loop or clip to repeat for the duration of the song, hover over of the edge of the audio. So as you can see here, right here, it shows up this double-ended arrow, and drag to the right, so Reaper will automatically repeat the item as many times you pull it, just like that. So if you just stretch the audio instead of repeating, right click the item and go to item properties, and ensure loop. And as you can see here, loop source is checked. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.